it is my pride and honor to present to you, for the very first time, our Yuluits, Mr. and Mrs. Lobel and Orient for the Rais Calubay. Ayan na. Everyone, let's all be ready. Okay, I'm full of energy, ha? Ayan na, everyone, they're just warming up before they have their book entrance. Ladies and gentlemen, Orient and Lobel. So we're going to keep your pride. Join them. Say now. So we're going to keep your pride. Paikutan yung Team Grimity Pride ang ating kalukasan. Ikon, yan. Okay, gimme. Say yo, everyone. One more time. Alright mga kaibigan, bigyan natin ang isang masigabong palakpakan ng ating bagong kasal. And of course, wala po muna upo because we are going to give them a very happy and lively congratulations. Sir, sa visit tayo, sir. Sabay-sabay po natin isisigaw ang isang malakas na congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Calubay. In 3, 2, 1! Palakpak na mag-iyawan! Alright, ulitin natin for the second time around. Kailangan mas malakas at mas masaya. So after we greet them, we are going to clap our hands at sisigaw din tayo. Once more, in 3, 2, 1!
Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Calubay!
Alright, this side of course, we will be requesting everyone to remain standing for we will be dancing all together dahil may sayaw muna tayong gagawin and I am pretty sure mananalo yung mga mapipili na 5 best dancer for tonight. So para po you will have enough